So what is completing the square? Completing means that the square is not complete. That's why you are completing it. Okay, right?
Yes.
It means that completing the square means that the square is not complete. So how you will recognize in any expression that whether it is completed already or not? How? Do you have any idea?
Um, if wait, no,
No, no idea.
no.
Okay. See, I'm giving you one x plus 2 whole square. So x plus 1 whole square is x square plus 2ab. So 2x plus 1, right? X plus 2 whole square is x square plus 4x plus 4. Then x square plus 6x plus 9. X square plus 8x plus 16. X square plus 10x plus 25, right? What you
Yes.
observed? We just observed that this last number is here multiplied by 2. And in the
Yes.
end, we just squaring it, right?
Yeah.
Power of 2, right? Means this last number is we squaring it and we multiplying it by 2, right? In every
Yeah.
case, you see that you multiplied by 3 and you take a square of 3. You multiply by 2 and taking a square of this, right?
Yeah.
So you can see a pattern here that you multiply by 2 and the last number is a square. So now can you detect a already completed square? Yes, we can. If this midterm, whatever it is, we divide that by 2, we will reach here, the original term, right?
Yeah.
Whatever this term is, we divide it by 2 to get this, right? And then
Yes.
we square this term. What, for example, if you need that, I just write x square plus 6x. What will be the completed square for that? So what you do, you divide 6 by 2. Whatever you get, you square it. You will get a number. That is the number which needed to complete it. Okay. If it's already there, it's completed. If not, then it's not completed. Okay. So recognition is done. Okay. That how you recognize it? That you divide any expression. For example, this is 8x. So I divide 8 by 2, which is 4, and then I square it to get 16. If 16 is there, it means it's completed. If it's not, it is not completed. Making sense or not?
Yes.
Okay, next step. So since you understand that, how to recognize it. For example, now I give you expression x square plus, let's say 6x plus, let's say 10. Okay. Now, is it completed or not? How we check?
No.
We check this number divided by 2, okay, which is 3, and then we square it, we will get 9. Means 6 is there, so there should be 9, okay? Since 9
Yeah.
is not there, we know that it is x plus 3 whole square, right? X plus 3 whole square.
Yeah.
But since it's 10, it's what? More than 1, right? Means
Yes.
one is extra in this, right? Right? You want 9, but there we have 10. Okay,
Yes.
means 1 extra. So x plus 3 square plus 1. That is the completed square form for this question. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, let me give you a diagrammic illustration of this. For example, you have x square plus 6x plus 25, right? No, no, not 25. It will be a bigger number then. Let's say it's 4. Okay. X square plus 6x plus 4. How you draw a diagram for this? X square comes in this first position. Okay. Then you divide this number by 2 to get how many x you write here. because you have to divide it equally. Okay, you
Okay.
divide this equally in two parts. So you get x, x, and x here. Total you have 6x, right?
Yes.
And x, x, and x here. Now to complete the square, how much you need more? Means how many ones you need? You need, you can see, you need 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 9 ones you required. How many total are given already? In the expression, how many are given already? 4.
4,
How many are missing?
5.
Yes, 5 ones are missing. So you will write, yes, it's x plus 3 whole square. And 5 ones are missing, so minus 5. That's completed a square already. Okay,
Okay.
understand? For
Yes.
example, now, for example, I write x square plus, I don't want to get bigger number, that's why I choose 6. Let's say 4x, okay, and plus 5, okay. Now let's check again with the box method. X square, okay, we let me draw it over there again. Okay, let's draw it manually. X square, so x square is going to be there, right? Then we have 4x divided by 2. You will get 2x here, x and x, and 2x is here, x and x, right? Now to complete that, what you need? You need 4 ones, right? How many you have? You have 5
Uh,
ones. Means one box of 1 is extra. This is
yes.
extra. So extra you write with plus sign. So which square is it? It is x plus 2. X is x plus 2 whole square, right? This is
Yeah.
2x, right? So you can get x plus 2 whole square. And since it's 1 extra, then plus 1.
I thought you minus 1 because there's 1 extra.
Minus 1 for extra. No,
Because if it's extra, then you don't need it.
no, it's showing. See, yes, I understand what you said. See, when this is extra, let me how I okay. Let me do it with the
Because
formula to show you. Okay,
yeah, because isn't it when you do 4 divided by 2, which is 2, and you square 2, which is
4.
you're trying to make 5. Oh, so, okay, I
Yes,
understand what you're saying. Okay, you that's why you plus 1. My bad.
understand. This one is
Yes.
extra. This extra
Yes.
one, extra is always written with plus sign. If you don't
Yes.
have it, then you will write it with minus sign, like in this case.
So if it was a 3, like plus 3 on the end, it would be minus 1.
Yes, because for example, in this case, x square plus 6x plus 4. We divide this by 2, it's 3, right? 3 square is 9. So how many ones we required? We require 5 more ones, right? Because 4 is
Yes.
already there. We are short of 5 ones, right? So x plus 3 square minus 5, because these 5 ones are short. Minus sign represents lackage, okay? That you have the lacking of this negative 5, okay? You need these extra 5s, right? You
Yes.
need these extra five ones you required, okay? That's how you do the completing square thing. Do you get it?
Yes.
So, but since students are still making mistakes when I explain this thing, so the better way is just put the formula, okay? Don't remember this square, the thing, because
Yes.
it's
The
very
form is
complicated
better.
sometimes, right?
Yes.
So the what is the formula? X square plus nx equals to what? X plus n over 2 whole square minus n over 2 whole square. That's it. And x square minus nx is x minus n over 2 whole square minus n over 2 whole square. That's it. That is the formula.
Okay.
Apply this formula. Let's say you apply this formula on this. So what is the value of n here? Can you tell me
And which one?
for this question? What is the value of n?
N is 4.
Yes, n is 4. So put n is 4. Let me delete this from here. Now let's put n equals to 4 here, right? So x plus 4x plus 5, right?
Right. Yes.
That that is our question. We are applying the formula only on this part. We know n equals to 4. Our formula is this one. We applied the formula x plus 4 over 2. 4 over 2 is 2, right?
Yes.
4 over 2 is 2. 4 over 2 is 2 square minus 4 over 2 square, 2 square, right?
Yes.
Plus 5 as it is. Minus 4 plus 5. Minus 4 plus 5 is plus 1,
One.
right?
Yes.
Did we get the same answer by the box method?
Yes.
See, okay. In the box method, what we did? We make x square. We divide this into two parts and make, because we need to make the same dimensions for x, right? For this box, we need the same dimensions on both sides, right? That's why it's a square, right? A square is having all four sides equal.
Yes.
Now I make this, right? Since I have 5 ones, I will write 1, 1, 1. 1 is extra. So this extra one is represented by this plus 1.
Yes.
Okay, understand?
I understand.
So which method you find useful? The
I
box
I
method or
prefer no. I prefer the other one.
the formula one?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, you use the formula one, okay? It's just for understanding that what we are doing, okay? How the completing square is actually working, okay? So
Yes.
that's why I show you the diagram, okay? Otherwise, no need to make a diagram.
Would you, if I use the diagram, would I get marks in the exam?
Yes, yes, why not? It's the same thing.
Okay.
Either you use, since you don't need to show the formula. This formula is also extra, okay?
Okay.
Some students just memorize the formula, then they just do it directly. Like last time Rumi did. She memorized the formula. So what she did, for example, if I write x square plus 9x plus 18, let's say, okay, what she did, she know that the formula is x plus n over 2, right? 9 divided by 2 is, she write 9 divided by 2 square, okay? And then minus n over 2 whole square. So minus 9 over 2 whole square plus 18. That's what she did in her direct way, right? No need to write the formula, okay?
Oh, okay.
So you just memorize the formula and directly apply it.
Okay.
That's also correct. For example, something is that easy, that x square plus 4x plus 16, let's say. Then what you do? You apply the formula here. X plus 4 divided by 2 is 2 square. Okay, now 2 square is 4 plus 16. So you will get 20. Okay, x plus 2 whole square plus 20. That's the answer. Okay, understand?
Yes. I
That
understand.
what we are doing, we just memorize the formula and directly applying it. Okay, no need to figure out this box that how many ones we are having less or more, right? But if you know this, you just flex with your friends that what completing a square is. You can explain them and they will listen to you that why how this is working, right?
I definitely will.
Okay, okay, thank you,
Thank you.
thank you, bye.
Bye bye.